Hey guys, it's me, English teacher Matthew, and I'm back again with another video. Hey guys, by the end of the class you will have learned how to ask a question correctly in English. In the last video, we learned how to use the verb be in questions. Remember, we put the be before the subject to make it a question. So for example, are you English? And we also learnt if you want to ask for more detail, we need to put the question word before the be. So we can say, for example, where are you from? Now here, where are you from follows a structure of how to ask a question. It is a question word, auxiliary, subject, verb. This structure can help us to ask questions. Now, be is an auxiliary verb, but in the present tense we use do or does, and in the past tense we use did. And we can use this structure to help us to ask questions. So for example, I can say, what do you do? What is the question word? Do is the auxiliary, you is the subject, do is the verb, the main verb. What do you do? I'm a teacher. We can also ask another question, where does she work? Does because of she, work is the verb, where is the question word. Yeah? We can also ask a longer question as well. So we can use a question word such as what kind of music do you like? What kind of music do you like? And just remember as well, if we want to just ask for yes or no, we don't need the question word. We can just say auxiliary, subject, verb. Do you like English? So, do you have any questions? If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. So, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, keep practicing.